How's it going? What's up and what's happening? Blessed and beautiful souls. Kiara here today with the Crypto Bliss Show. I'm super excited to do this video for you guys. I have 3 trades for you guys today that will be trades that you can hold for a long term. And that's besides for the 2 trades that you already know about, Bitcoin and Ethereum. But right now, let's just talk about the 3 potential trades, and I'm going to tell you exactly why before I get into those trades. So if you want to know which those are, make sure you stay right to the end of this video. It will be a short video, so thanks for watching. And at the time of recording this video, I'm releasing this video pretty much 2 hours after it's recorded. So hopefully you're in or getting ready to prep up for a trade, whatever it is. And if you want to trade this, whether it's on spot or on derivatives, perpetuals, futures, whatever you want to do, bybit link down below, $30,000 bonus, and you can get yourself into an awesome set of trades and make yourself some profits going forward into the future. I have already done some of them, and I have already got myself into some of these trades, so I'm going to talk about them a little moment, so just be patient, and we will find out why and what. But 2 things right now before we get going anywhere. And in fact, let me show you. Thank you to all my subscribers, by the way. I really appreciate you all. And always smash up that like button. I really appreciate you guys. So just so that you guys know, and if you don't know where the Bybit link is in my video, please come to show more and you will see my Bybit link is right there. Okay, so that is the link that you want to be clicking. Make sure that you get that link for you guys so that you guys can trade in the Bybit derivative section and make yourself some good cash. So let's go and look at the Bitcoin dominance. The Bitcoin dominance is busy falling. There was a sell signal yesterday. This is a hanging candle, so this is telling, and we're under my 2 indicators and under a line. So this is making lower highs and lower lows. So this is telling me that this is going to be coming down, which means that more money will be coming into the total crypto market cap. Which is currently what it is busy doing at the moment. And you can see that here from the day and the 4 hour, we are still above. We've had a buy signal here. We're getting a little bit of a rejection here because we're under 3 specific resistance levels, but that's the total crypto market cap. And if you come over and look at the total 3, which is all the altcoins, etc., you can see there was a huge buy signal here in the altcoins, and we are tapping on this literally again as we speak at this level. So for me, we're going to break out of this total 3 very, 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 very soon, guys. And I'm saying that to you because we are busy putting pressure on these 3 indicators at the moment in this section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 touches already. We're bound to break through here very soon. So let's not waste any more time because you can see the crypto bubbles are starting to get green again here for you guys. So first coin on the list for trading is Chainlink. And as you can see here on the 4 hour, I'm going to start off on the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we have a buy signal. We're going to break up above the indicators here very soon. You can see that. Yesterday, we had a massive sell signal on the downward trending slope here, which we have had for some time now. So we're knocking on the door here on the 4 hour time frame. And essentially on the 4 hour time frame, I'm going to be very honest with you. The best entry would have been down here because this is now on the day. The best entry would have been down here on this candle to ride the wave up here. So from $6.40 basically up to where we are now. But that's okay because we're still getting up here. And even though we were rejected there, I do believe that we're going to be knocking on this door again. First of all, because we have already knocked on it multiple times in the past few weeks. And we are also above the line here. And my signal is starting to turn green here. And as you can see on the weekly time frame, this is looking pretty juicy and delicious. So on the weekly, we had a sell candle 2 weeks ago, but we're still fighting that sell signal and we're pushing this level. So we're under a very strong resistance level here. But the moment we break through, essentially, guys, that would be the best point at trading. So I would say to you that if we could break through this week's candle high, which essentially would be this wick here, okay? This wick here, if we could break through that wick there, that would be a very, very delicious entry point for a trade because we would break out, pump up to a level, pull back, and then make a very strong. So first of all, the pullback is going to be your best entry, okay, probably because it would come and touch this level, if not above it. But honestly, this is a good entry, but we haven't broken through yet. So we have to be very patient at this point in time for Link. But once you see what Link does and can do on the weekly time frame, okay, we don't have much resistance until the top of this point here, which is double the price than where it is at right now, which means we would make 100% gains. If you're taking a 10x leverage trade, that would mean you would make 1000% gains. So see how you can make money in trading. It's coin number 2 for the day, and this one is Solana. Now Solana is doing exactly what Link has been doing, and you can see the same thing. There was a good strong buy signal. Guys, as you can see, all crypto, it is coming up to a point where it is almost in a triangle formation, okay? And we're basically, by the end of June, we will have broken out, even in some of the others that might be earlier, but between May and June, we will be breaking out, whether that's to the upside or to the downside in this crypto, okay? So Solana's sending a good signal, but again, we want to break up above this candle and through the edge here, and we want to be able to get close a candle above this downward sloping edge here. And once we broke that, guys, Solana would literally come up to about $58, $60, and its highest potential right now would probably be about $85 to $90. And if you took a trade from there to there, that is literally 4x your money. Okay, so 400%, that would be at 10x leverage, that's 4,000%. So guys, once again, why not? And yes, you would have to wait a couple weeks, maybe a couple months for it to get there, but that is okay. Coin number 3 is, of course, Crow, as you just saw. So Crow, interestingly, had a sell signal here. But I am at the moment skeptical of the sell signal because we're having support, we're being supported on my signal. And yes, we've come below the signal, but it is looking for a cross. And we essentially have to stay above the signal. This signal has to start to turn green as it did here. And then essentially, so I think it's going to do what this did here. So kind of trade sideways before we have a buy signal. And then we're going to come and knock at this level again. And I'm going to say to you guys that this would be the best level to get into this trade. But essentially, you want to wait for confirmation, because once all the other altcoins that I've pointed out to you start going, it's very likely that most of the rest of the altcoins will start going too. And if we come and look at Crow on the weekly time frame, its level at where it will go to is about 20, which is about a 4x from where it currently is today as well. So 10x leverage or 4,000% gains, guys. And I'm going to do a little bonus coin for you just because I love you guys very much. So please make sure to smash that like button for me because I appreciate you. Cardano is number 4. Cardano is already pumping today, guys. Cardano's looking like it's confirming its trend. It's turning green. It's opening up as it's opening up here. And generally what we see is it creates a bullish pattern. So we want to break up above these candles, close above here, which would essentially bring us above that wedge as well and would break us out of this pattern earlier than most of the other cryptos. It would bring us up to about 70 cents here, maybe 80 cents, okay, 4447, which is a very lucky number. So it would bring us up to the top there. There would be resistance levels along the way, guys, make no mistake. We'd probably break out, smash, hit here, pull back, and then break up through to the top. And that would essentially look like 2x your gains. So 10x would be a 2000x on your money. So with a 1000x, a 4000x, a 4000x, and a 2000x, you would be making 11,000% gains on your cryptocurrency if you did some trading on these coins. So please make sure that you actually get into these trades when the signals are there. You can see this little signal here. When there's a breakout level above that level, push the plus button so that you're alerted so that you can trade. So you can see here, okay, mine doesn't work because I'm on the free version. But you can click here and you can add your alert if you're on a paid version of TradingView, and you do get one signal. So choose which one is going to be your favorite. But all 4 of these coins could make you essentially 11,000% gains, guys. That means you could turn $1,000. Let's see what that actually works out to be. Let's get the calculator out here for you. Calculator. So $1,000. In fact, guys, even if you did $10, okay, let's just say you did $25 in each, okay? So just call it $100, okay? You did $100 plus 11,000% would give you, you would literally turn $100 into $11,100. And you would have to wait a little while to do that. Like, does that make sense to you guys to do? Well, I hope so. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please smash that like button. I appreciate that. Love you lots, and I'll see you later.